would like to introduce our latest ZenBook Flip 13 and 15 inch. So our new ZenBook 13 and 15 inch Flip models are the most compact size 13 and 15 Flip model ever in the notebook industry. So as you can see, the 13 inch, we have the four-way narrow bezel design. Not only the left and right bezel, but also the upper bezel and the lower bezel. So we redesigned the camera, panel, mechanical, PCB, thermal, battery, etc., so that we can have smaller and compact size, and the screen-to-body ratio can reach 92%. So if we compare the footprint with our previous generation ZenBook 13 inch, you can see the footprint is much smaller. This is the last generation ZenBook 13 inch, and this is the latest ZenBook 13 inch Flip. This is the most compact size ever in the notebook industry. And our lower bezel is about 75% smaller than our competitors' lower bezel. And also, even with the smaller bezel, we still keep the camera at the upper level of the panel, because a lot of users, they still prefer the camera on top of the bezel so that they can have better viewing angle and better user experience. And as to the camera, this one is 3D fast locking IR camera that can support Windows Hello for the fast login. So it is very convenient. Even in the dark environment, it can still log in automatically. And talking about the microphone, it is a dual array microphone which can support far-field Cortana. And as to the system, there is Harman Kardon audio inside the small chassis, and we also enhanced the keyboard design, so the travel distance is 1.4 millimeter travel distance with the newly designed keycap mechanical and the rubber dome, so that the typing experience is very good. And also for the number pad, it is with Microsoft Precision Touchpad, and there is a special number pad design, so you can turn the number pad on and off. And the most cool thing is that you can type numbers on it, and you can still move the cursor here. There's no need to turn on and off the number pad. You can use the numbers and cursors at the same time. And as to the system, we also have a good battery capacity inside. It is 50 watt-hour battery capacity, which can last 12 hours of battery life. And as to the I/O port, we have a USB Type-C and Type-A of the laptop. And for the system inside, we also redesigned the thermal so that it can have more than 10% improvement of the thermal airflow, which can lower the temperature of the system. And the CPU inside is the latest Whiskey Lake, Intel Whiskey Lake CPU and platform, so that it can improve the performance by 10%. And it also has up to 1 terabyte SSD and thermal capacity. Yeah, so not only the compact size, but with very good performance inside the compact size chassis. And this one is the spatial hinge design, so that it is flip model with 360-degree flip, and it supports touch on the panel and also the stylus function. You can use the stylus pen to write on the touch panel. Okay, and there's a special camera design here. So not only the IR camera for face locking, but there is another world-facing camera. So actually, you can use the world-facing camera when you are seeing at the panel. So there is an application, for example, you can use the camera for the AR function. You can put a simulated picture in a real house. For example, like a picture of the furniture, but you put it at the real room, so that you can imagine like IKEA furniture. You can put it in your room. So this is for the AR function. Okay. So this is the latest ZenBook 13 and 15 inch. That is the most compact size of the laptop ever in the notebook industry.